In front of me is Samsung Galaxy S20 FE, and let me show you how to activate spell checker on the following device. So at the very beginning you have to open the settings, then find and select General Management and click on Language and Input. Here go to on-screen keyboard and then reach your default keyboard, which in my case is Samsung keyboard. So let me click on Samsung keyboard, and right here by tapping on Smart Typing you will enter these settings where you can personalize it. So once you want to activate spell checker, just click on Auto Spell Check and then tap on this switcher. From now on, all your misspelled words will be underlined in red and suggest corrections. So this is it, that will be all. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.